Hi, I'm Effie. Welcome to my channel. It's time for one wonderful word with Effie. That's me. Do you know what one of my favorite things in the whole wide world is? Words. That's right. I love to learn new words. I love to learn new words, to use new words, and to share new words with my friends and family. My favorite book is The Thesaurus. That's a book about words. I am absolutely obsessed with words. And do you know what that makes me? That makes me a Logomaniac. Today, I'm going to tell you what a Logomaniac is, where the word Logomaniac comes from, and how to use a Logomaniac in a sentence. Ready? Let's go! A Logomaniac is a person who is obsessed with words. That means they think about words all the time and that they have a great excitement and enthusiasm for words. That's me. I am so obsessed with words that I learn about new words every day and I get super excited to share them with you. The word Logomaniac originated, that means it began, in Greece. Greece is a country in Europe and people who live in Greece speak Greek. In Greek, logos means words and mania means enthusiasm or craze. Put it together and you have logomania, which means super enthusiastic about words, crazy about words. And a person who is crazy about words is a logomaniac, like me. If you use logomaniac in a sentence, you might say, Effie's favorite book is The Thesaurus. She's a logomaniac. So let's say Logomaniac together. First, we are going to say Logomaniac one time slowly. Ready? Let's go! Lo-go-ma-ni-ac. That was good. Let's say it again. This time, we're going to say Logomaniac 2 times slowly. Ready? Okay. Lo-go-ma-ni-ac. Lo-go-ma-ni-ac. Very good. Let's try a little bit faster. We are going to say a Logomaniac 3 times a little bit faster. Ready? Let's do it. Lo-go-maniac. 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 Excellent! Let's say it even faster. We are going to say a Logomaniac super fast 9 times. Can you do it? Of course you can. Let's try. Ready and go! Logomaniac. 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 Wow! You're amazing! You just learned a new word and you said it super fast. You learned the word Logomaniac, which means a person who is obsessed with words, like me. Yay! I had so much fun learning with you today, and you can keep learning. Tell your parents to go to thebighairbook.com and download free activity sheets, including your gift from me, the Big Hair Coloring and Activity Book. And use your new word, Logomaniac, in a sentence this week. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and share it with your friends. You are so awesome and smart and capable of doing anything you put your mind to. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Until then, happy learning!